myself Sagarika Swai, the electronic expert from MKD Education. Today we will discuss about integrated circuit and its advantages. In this topic I am going to teach first history, then introduction, then symbol, then size, then types, then advantages. Last one is your applications of IC. First one is your history. Second one is your introduction. So first we will discuss what is the history of IC. Earlier, electronic circuits were prepared by using transistor, capacitor, diodes by joining them with connecting wires. This one is your transistor, resistors, capacitor, this circuit is known as discrete circuit. Because all the components are distinct or separate from each other. This circuit have two disadvantages. First disadvantage is it requires larger space for their assembly because each components are separated from each other. Second disadvantage is they have poor reliability because there are large number of solder points. Here this one is your, they are connected through connecting wires. So to overcome this situation, we have to fabricate the entire circuit in a single chip with the help of metal strip which came to the picture. In this case, your transistor, resistor, capacitor, diodes all are connected on a rectangular chip. In this case, ମୁଁ एठी देखैछि only गोटे सिंगल सर्किट रो किंतु आमे जदी रियल चिप को जिबा सेठी 100 or million of transistor थिबो, millions of diode थिबो, millions of capacitor, millions of resistor थिबो. So मु गोटे सर्किट टा खाली तुमको देखैछि. So in this case the entire circuit act as a single device. In this case we'll give only input and we'll get output. There is no connecting wires, but in discrete circuit there is connecting wires. This one is your connecting wires. So this in this we have to fabricate the entire circuit on a single chip. So IC came into the picture. IC was invented by Jack Kilby in 1958. So next one is your question. Integrated circuit is a circuit in which various components such as resistor, transistor, capacitor, diodes all are fabricated on a single semiconductor chip. It is sometimes called as chip or microchip. So next we have to discuss symbol. So we normally need a microscope to see the connection between the components. Here I am going to show you the size of a chip. This one is your semiconductor chip. Its size or its dimension is 0.2 mm cross 0.2 mm cross 0.001 mm. This is a single semiconductor chip. हमें ये देखिवा जे 0.2 mm और तारो माने डायमेंशन जो दिके ते कम अछि ताले आ भितरे 100 ऑफ आईसी अछि 100 मिलियंस ऑफ आईसी अछि तो तार साइज किते सानो हिथिबो तो हमें एटी प्रैक्टिकली तार साइज को हमें देखि परिबानी. So after that we will discuss types. According to their construction, IC is of 4 types. First one is your monolithic IC. Second one is your thick film IC. Thin film IC. And last one is your hybrid IC. One is your according to their function. According to their function, it is of 2 types. First one is your analog or linear IC. Second one is your digital IC. Again, digital IC is of 4 types. First one is your SSI. Second one is your MSI. Third one is your LSI. Last one is your VLSI. SSI means small cell integration. Then MSI means full form medium scale integration. LSI stands for large scale integration. VLSI stands for very large scale integration. So third type is according to their shapes. According to their shape, it is of 2 types. First one is your rectangular IC or dual inline IC. Second one is your square IC or quad inline IC. So types are already done. Next, advantages of IC. First advantages is extremely small size, because various components are fabricated on a single semiconductor chip. So the size is small. Second point is high reliability. Because various components are fabricated and interconnected on the same chip and there is no solder joints. So it is high reliability. Third one is your low cost. Third one is your low cost, because large number of chips are processed simultaneously. आमे कोन बहुत गुडे चिप को एका संगे प्रोसेस करछे, सेथि पई प्रोसेसिंग फीस एते लागिबोनी. जदि आमे सिंगल गोटे गोटे चिप को नै कि तार प्रोसेस करबा ताले निहाती हमको अधिक पैसा दबा को पड़िबो, अधिक टंका खर्च होबो. किंतु जेहेतु आमे बहुत गुडे चिप को साइमल्टेनियसली एकाथरे प्रोसेसिंग करछे, सेथि पई तार चिप रो कॉस्ट लो रहउची. फोर्थ एडवांटेज इज lesser weight. Lesser weight due to small in size. जेतु तार साइज टा छोट अछि तो हमरो weight टा भी कम रहइबो. ability to operate at extreme values of temperature. जेहेतु हमर एठी किछि कनेक्टिंग वायर्स नाही तो हमें जते टेम्परेचर रे भी याकू ऑपरेट करले आराम से ऑपरेट हे परिबो. 6th one is your low power consumption. जेहेतु बहुत गुडे एलिमेंट गोटे चिप अंडर रे रहउचंती तो पावर कंजम्पशन ऑलरेडी कम आसीबो. ऑल आर इंटीग्रेटेड ऑन ए सिंगल चिप, सो पावर कंजम्पशन भी वेरी लेस. The last advantages is there is no interconnection error. जेहेतु हमर किछि कनेक्टिंग वायर्स रहउनी तो हमर एरर कोठ आसीबो, एरर आसीबोनी. So these are the advantages of IC. Then lastly we have discussed applications of IC. First application is it is used in television, it is used in computers, it is used in cars, it is used in mobile phones, it is used in clocks, calculators, measuring instruments, video games, so these are the applications of IC. Integrated circuit कौन, तार हिस्ट्री कौन, तार सिंबल कौन, तार साइज कौन, तार टाइप्स कौन, तार एडवांटेजेस कौन, तार एप्लीकेशंस कौन, ता विषय सब जानिले। आर कंप्लीट नोट्स टा हमर साइट रे पीडीएफ रे अछि, सेठु तुम माने डाउनलोड करके ताको पढ़ी परिबो।